Hey guys, it's Faiz and welcome to my channel. So today I've got my first ever GYMSHARK haul and I'm going to be doing an unboxing try on in this video. I've never actually bought anything from GYMSHARK before, so I'm actually so excited to try it on. I've been wanting to try on GYMSHARK stuff for quite a while now, and they had a Black Friday sale, like a huge Black Friday sale. So before we get started, my stats, which people have asked me in my previous videos before, which I forget to mention, is my height is, well, I'm 5'6", so I am on the short side, and my weight is about 67 kg. So I am like bulking up in the gym, so I still need to shred, which hopefully I'm gonna be doing that next summer. So I've got the package here, and it came a while ago. So I've got a Hollister haul which I've already filmed, and I need to get that out. And so I've got this GYMSHARK haul. I've got like a huge ASOS haul, and a brand called Sulfate Clothing, which is by a YouTuber called Josh Sullivan. His channel's called Josh Sol. So I've got that, and like a whole bunch of videos I've got planned and lined up. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that. Altogether I spent about £150, which is like, I don't know if it's quite a lot for GYMSHARK, but it's quite a bit, isn't it? Everything in the tops I ordered a medium, and in the bottoms I ordered a small. So I bought the block joggers, the black and white. I got Arrival pants in black, Arrival t-shirt in black. I got, this is the Critical joggers with zip pockets in olive green. The Critical pants in black. Block short sleeve t-shirt in black white. And Recharge joggers in hunter green. There's quite a few bits. I've got more down here. So yeah, that's quite a few bits that I'm gonna get through. Okay, so this is the Arrival t-shirt. First impressions, it's super stretchy and it feels so good. The fit is really good. Looks really nice on. It's got the GYMSHARK heat press logo, but it's got like a nice, like a velvety, almost kind of rubber feel. So that's really good. The neckline is really good as well. It's like, it's not too high up, and it's like, it's not low, but it's just a good amount. And this part as well, like the thickness of, like, actually this is a good thickness. Like sometimes like tops can be like really thick or really thin. This is really good. And it's also, it's got colors like this. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like the material has got like almost like holes in it, so it's really like breathable and just makes it a lot more stretchier. I actually don't have a gym top. I just wear a Primark top, and the tops I wear to the gym are a size small, and I've outgrown them, so they are quite tight. So this fits really good. This is a medium, and it's good in the arms, and it's good on the shoulders as well. In the back, loving that. The back, the material, it comes like forward. Yeah, you can see here where over here it just comes really forward on the shoulder, which I thought, why is that coming so forward? Like surely it should be like a bit more back. Like the back part should be a bit more back, but like that, and it just like comes forward. It was actually quite nice, and it fits nice and snug on the arm. Like there's not a lot of like looseness around it, but it's not super tight either. Although I have like lost a lot of muscle because of the lockdown. I'm just starting to go back into the gym now, so it should like tighten up. But yeah, it's a really good fit overall. So when I was looking at the joggers, I couldn't really tell the difference between the joggers. So I've got the Arrival and I've got the Critical. I did like put more in the basket, like other ones as well, but then it went out of stock. And then there's the Arrival, there's the woven one, and then there's a normal one. I literally could not tell what the difference was, so let's just try it on. Okay, so these are the Arrival joggers. Like that, because I am short, I'm 5'6". Joggers, like they always come up quite, not long, but like always get a bit of excess material at the bottom. So these are the Arrivals. I really like them. It's like super stretchy, really nice. It's got like a silky feel to them. Again, it's got that GYMSHARK heat press on logo with that velvety kind of rubber feel. It's really nice. Okay. And it's got nice pockets as well, so a good size. They're deep enough, but they're not too deep, and I can like spread my hand and like open my hands wide to spread my fingers. And the inside of the pocket has that same material, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like almost like the same material as the top. They're super stretchy, they're not tight around the crotch area either, so they'll be good to do squats and deadlifts. I'm really liking like the silky finish on this. It's really nice. Also, I forgot to mention that I am currently a 32 waist. Like, I used to be a 28 waist, but now I'm a 32 waist. But I can still fit into a small size in the joggers. So now let's see what the difference is with these critical pants. Okay, so already these are a lot different. It's more of like a cotton kind of blend, like a cotton polyester kind of blend, I think. And it doesn't seem to be, it's not as stretchy. And the logo is different as well. This is like a stitched on logo instead of like the heat press logo. This is the Arrival jogger. It's like a polyester one. And this is the critical jogger. And this is more of like a cotton, I think it's like a cotton poly blend. Yeah, so the Arrival one, which is the polyester really stretchy one, that's 92% polyester, 8% elastane. And then the other one, the critical ones, which I just showed, is 6% polyester, 35% cotton, and 5% elastane. So yeah, less elastane. It's got cotton, which the other one doesn't. So that's why, yeah, it's a completely different feel. Okay, so these are the critical joggers. Again, slightly long, but that's because I'm just short. That's why. But yeah, I'm really liking these still. Again, these are tapered from the waist to the thighs, all the way down to the ankles. So these were tight to get on, but I'm guessing because the waist is like that on this one, on the critical one, and then the waist on the Arrival is like this. So that is a lot more stretchy. Also with these ones, the strings are on the outside, and with the Arrivals, the drawstrings are on the inside. They're a lot shorter, but I like the detail where it's got the GYMSHARK name printed on like that. So it has got a stretch, but obviously the stretch isn't going to be as much as the Arrival ones because of the cotton, and it's got a bit of less elastane, but not that much less. Also, these critical ones have an elasticated cuff around the ankle. So if you can see, these do have an elasticated cuff, whereas the other ones, the Arrivals don't. It's just a normal cuff. But with these ones, I feel like you could wear these at home just as loungewear. Like, you could wear them at the gym, but I feel like you could probably just wear these like at home, because it is cotton, so it is comfortable. And yeah, I feel like you can just wear them as casual wear. Okay, so next is this block short sleeve t-shirt, which I really like. I love the block logo, which I think is the main reason why people buy this, because of this whole logo across the chest. It looks so good, and I think the logo comes in like in different colors as well. So instead of the white, there's like other colors, and I really like this. The fit on this is so good. It's got a curved hem as well, which I really like. So it's got like a casual, relaxed feel to this. It's really nice, and it's mostly cotton, but it's got a bit of elastane, so it does have a stretch. And yeah, I really like this. It's nice and tight on the arms, not too much like space around the arms, and it's not too tight. And yeah, I'm really liking this. I really like the stitching that just goes around here. Also, I paired it with, again, critical joggers, same as the one before, but these one are in an olive green. And the difference between these is that this one has a zip, but the other ones didn't have a zip. I forgot to mention, this only has elasticated cuff just at the back of it, not at the front, which I actually really like. Not everyone likes having like elasticated like cuffs. Some people just like having just the material just going all the way down to the bottom. But yeah, these ones, it's got cuffs but at the back, so you can't see it. So it actually looks really good. Okay, so I've got two things left. I've got the black joggers, and I've got the recharge joggers in hunter green. So I'm gonna do the green ones first, so we can see what these green ones are like compared to the critical green ones I'm wearing now. Okay, oh, this looks sick. Oh, that looks good. Okay, so with this one, it's completely different. The material is very different. It's got GYMSHARK written down the leg like that, and this is in like a kind of rubbery kind of print on. So it's very textured, and this is 100% cotton, so this is more for like loungewear, so it's not like it doesn't stretch. So I mean, you could wear this in the gym, but this is more, I'd say, more for loungewear. And yeah, I just really love the detail on here where it says GYMSHARK down the leg like that. It's got a tab at the back, which I don't know what you'd use this for. Maybe like to hang it up, I guess. But yeah, it's got the tab, and it's got GYMSHARK logo on that. Also, the bottoms have zips at the ankles, which I like so that just opens like that on both legs. I like joggers that have like zips, because the Nike ones that I wear to the gym have zips like that as well, so that's quite cool. Okay, so these are the recharged joggers in the hunter green, and these are absolutely sick. I love how they feel, this proper comfy, and they're not really thick either. Like, it's 100% cotton, but it's not like so thick. Like, they are a bit thin. I just love the detail over here, the GYMSHARK just down the thigh over here. It's really nice. You could just even tuck this in as well. So if you wanted to go like really casual, you could just tuck this in. I don't know. What do you think? Because with this top as well, because it's like got a scooped low hem, gives it a casual look. So you could like pair these together and look sick with like a puffer jacket as well on top. Yeah, I'm really liking that. And here's a bit of a close-up look what they're like. And also it does come with a matching top as well, because this is meant to be more like a relaxed casual wear for like at home. This is supposed to be for like your off days when you're not training, so like your rest days. So now the last item of the haul is one pair of joggers. Again, these are a casual wear jogger. Again, just like the top, I think this is the matching jogger, I'm not sure. But again, it's got this GYMSHARK print logo and the writing over there, which looks sick, and just how it matches that as well. And yeah, so these are nice. It's got a good weight to them. It's not too thick, but it's definitely not thin at all. Okay, so I've got the joggers on, and they are absolutely comfy. They're really comfy. Again, they're tapered from like the waist around down to the thighs and down to the legs, ankles, and yeah, they look really good. It goes really well with the top as well. I don't know if it's supposed to be like a matching set, I don't know, but it does go really well together, which I'm really liking. And you can see at the bottom the cuffs, which I actually really like. Like, I haven't worn joggers with this kind of elasticated kind of cuffs before, which I actually really like. I haven't had to pull these up too much, so that is good. So the fitting of this is really good, and yeah, I'm happy with this one. Could wear this out as an outfit. I don't know about in the winter with short sleeves. Maybe you could if you wore a jacket and you don't mind being a bit too cold. But yeah, the logo print over here and over here, it's the same material, and yeah, it looks really good together. Okay, so that was the last piece of this haul, which I actually really liked, and all the pieces were actually so sick. The fit of them were all really good, and the designs were good. The quality was actually really good, so it feels like it's gonna actually last a really long time. And I feel like they've got everything for like everyone, so they've got a bit of things for everyone. So whether you're a beginner at the gym, or whether you're like a pro athlete at the gym, or whether you just want something just for casual loungewear at home, I feel like they've got something for everyone, which is actually really good. The lengths weren't too bad on a lot of the joggers. Like, there's only a bit of excess material, which is fine. But these ones that I got on, the last ones, they were really good. They fit really well, and then the other ones that I wore before that, the green ones, they fit really good as well, and the quality is actually so good. But yeah, I'm actually quite impressed on how everything turned out. Like, I was worried like how it would be, like maybe if it's like overhyped or not, but I think it does live up to the hype and lives up to the name of how big the brand is. Let me know down below, so leave a comment what was your favorite piece. But yeah, what else should I try on, and if there's any other brands that you think I should try on. I'd actually love to like try on more of the GYMSHARK stuff and see what they're like, and see what other joggers they've got, because they've got like so many other joggers as well. So I want to see what the fits are all like, because online I couldn't really tell what the differences are, because they look very similar, but it's only until you get them and you actually try them on that you can see what the differences are and you can compare them. Also, if you made it this far to the video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below and hit the subscribe button as well if you're not subscribed. It does help out with the video and gets it out to more people as well when you do leave a comment and thumbs up the video. And also follow my links to my social media, which will be down below. Follow me on Instagram, and you can follow me on Snapchat as well if you want. I post all the time. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you in the next one.